Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a bird that you might mistaken for a female house sparrow. The Oriental Skylark. The Oriental Skylark, also known as the small skylark, is a species of skylark. Chunky brown songbird with a weak crest, typically found on the ground in open fields and meadows. Found in the southern, central and eastern Palearctic. Darker above than below, with fine black streaking on the crest and light chestnut ear coverts with dark border. Like other skylarks, it is found in open grassland where it feeds on seeds and insects. Their calls are like locally named Pera Digu Ahas Thulikawa. I have not seen the Oriental Skylark. In Sri Lanka, wherever you go, you will find acres and acres of endless green in the paddy fields. In some areas, they arrange tours to explain paddy plantations, and these pictures are of one such tour that we have done some time ago.